Hotel Rennes Sud, Chantepie, a cozy retreat in Rennes. Welcome to Hotel Rennes Sud, Chantepie, a charming one-star hotel located in the vibrant city of Rennes, France. With its cozy ambience and convenient amenities, this hotel offers the perfect retreat for both business and leisure travelers. Nestled in a peaceful neighborhood, Hotel Rennes Sud, Chantepie boasts 49 comfortable and well-appointed rooms. Whether you are traveling solo, as a couple, or with your family, you will find a room that suits your needs. Each room is designed with your comfort in mind and features modern amenities to ensure a pleasant stay. Check-in at Hotel Rennes Sud, Chantepie is available from 12 p.m., allowing you to settle in and start exploring the city at your own pace. The hotel's checkout time is until 12 p.m., giving you ample time to relax and prepare for your departure. Additionally, this hotel understands that pets are part of the family, and allows one pet per room, ensuring that your furry friend can join you on your travels. One of the standout features of Hotel Rennes Sud, Chantepie is its child policy. This hotel warmly welcomes children aged 2 to 9, allowing them to stay free of charge. This makes it an ideal choice for families looking for an affordable and comfortable accommodation option in Rennes. Whether you are visiting the city for a family vacation or a business trip, Hotel Rennes Sud, Chantepie caters to all your needs, providing a delightful experience for guests of all ages. Endless fun and games at Hotel Rennes Sud, Chantepie's Games Room. Step into a world of endless entertainment at Hotel Rennes Sud, Chantepie's Games Room. Perfect for both kids and adults, this vibrant space offers a plethora of activities to keep guests entertained throughout their stay. Equipped with a variety of board games, card games, and puzzles, the Games Room provides the perfect opportunity for some friendly competition among friends and family. Challenge your loved ones to a game of Monopoly, test your strategic skills with a game of chess, or simply unwind with a relaxing puzzle. For those looking for some digital entertainment, the Games Room also features a selection of video game consoles. Immerse yourself in the virtual world as you battle it out with friends or embark on exciting adventures in popular games.